Okay, hi guys. So I got my microphone, mini microphone from Shein. So that's how they look like. Yeah. So if you want to get yours, you can choose the color pink or black. So yeah. There's Type C. Also there's iPhone type. You can choose to buy one microphone or two. It depends on which one. So this is what I got. This is what I got from Shein. So I'm going to be unboxing it. So please stay with me as we unbox. So there's Type C, there's for iPhone, one on one and one to two. So you choose which one you want. You can use it for vlogs, for interview, for live stream. Also, they are wireless. So yeah, also I prefer wireless. So that's why I got these ones. So let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, there we go. We got Apple OTG USB in pouch. In here we've got plug and play. We've got accessible window. Guys, you can read yourselves. Okay, let's see. Let's go on and open. Can't wait. Okay, guys. So as you open, you can already see that the package is lit. And then inside, wow! I mean, the presentation of the package. You can see yourself. It's top notch. So as you can see, guys, why not get yours? So that's how it looks. And then these are the hairboards. You can actually exchange them. If you don't want to use the black ones, you can use this one, the fluffy one. So yeah, yeah, that's the name for this little things. Okay, we also have two microphones. That's the first one. I mean, the quality. Look at that, guys. The quality is so good. I mean, you can just see yourself in the packaging. It's wow, so much. Okay, so that's the first one. You can actually buy this for your vlog, you know, for whatever you want to use it for interviews, um, interviewing or being interviewed, for school stuff, for class stuff. You can actually get this. I use this in here from the sound. So let's finish unboxing. So I got the iPhone one. We've also the Type C if you want. The Type C. Yeah, it comes with the guide, the user guide. I mean, if you want to read manual, so all the instruction guide inside, you can see the read instruction and all coordinates, and whether it's your camera or what you want to do. Okay, so you can go and go ahead. If you rent it, yeah, it was comes with the charger, just a charger, Type-C charger, and the mini portable one, Type-C one. If you want flip sound, this is good for you. So go grab yours, place to the bye.